The Pandas airdrop has officially concluded, marking a significant milestone for the Panda community. Participants are eagerly awaiting the transfer of their tokens to exchanges, ensuring that only genuine efforts are rewarded. With the airdrop completed, no further tokens will be distributed or counted. Participants will soon receive their tokens either on-chain or directly into their exchange accounts. The project plans to list on additional exchanges, expanding its presence within the crypto ecosystem. As the Pandas listing date approaches, excitement is building for its debut on Nilski exchange. Nilski will feature trading pairs such as Pandas, USDT, allowing users to buy, sell, or trade the token against Tether, USDT. The Pandas token price is expected to be set at $0.05 per token at launch, with an initial price prediction of around $0.0023 per token. To ensure you receive your tokens, select your exchange, connect your wallet, and snapshot the transaction before December 25. With the Pandas airdrop completed and the listing on Nilski exchange imminent, the community is poised for an exciting phase.